here from San Clemente, and I'm going to do a demo and a tutorial the other way about for Step and Rumba. That's the name of the dance, but the name of the song is Changed Everything, and that's by Austin Burke. It is a 32 count, 4-wall dance, no tags, no restarts. Yes! Alright, so let's get on with it. First of all, we're going to start with the K step. Some of you may know it, some of you may not. For those of you who don't know it, you can imagine the arms of the letter K. You've got the main stem and then the arm going up and that way. So we take a step diagonally on the right, tap the left in. Go back diagonally on the left, tap the right in. Go back diagonally on the right, tap the left in. And go forward on the left, tap the right in. One more time, you go forward, tap, back, forward, tap. But everything's on the diagonal. So that's the K step and that's how it starts. Here's the counts. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to do a grapevine. Gosh, that just went out of my mind then. We're going to do a grapevine to the right and a grapevine to the left. The grapevine is step behind, step side and tap to the left, step side, behind, step side and tap. One more time. Step side, behind, side, tap, side, behind, side, tap. The counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's put all those steps together and those counts, and we take the letter K. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Grapevine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time from the top. Step, tap, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap. Right behind and up, left behind. All right, so the name of the dance is Step and Rumba, so now we put the rumba step in. We've just done the grapevine, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have got our right leg free. We go to the right, step to the right, bring the left in, step the right forward and tap it. Step to the left side of the left foot, step back with the left foot and tap it in. So that is side together, side, tap, side together, side, tap. And the counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's add all that together from the top. Almost finished the dance now. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, tap, step, tap, step, tap, step. Grapevine to the right, grapevine to the left. Rumba box forward and step and back. Let's do it to music. To counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. One more time. And I'll say it out loud. 5, 6, 7, 8. Up and tap and back and tap and forward and tap. Grapevine to the right and side behind and side tap. Side together, forward tap. Side together, back tap. Okay, the last set of 8 counts is a grapevine turning to the right over your right shoulder. So we're going to go step right to the side, step the left behind. We're going to turn a quarter and then you're going to tap that left leg in. One more time. We go side, behind, One more time. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. Now for the last 4 counts, we're going to step this left foot to the side and push the hip on it. And then we're going to lean again, push the hip again. So that's 3 hips, left, right, left, and then you're going to tap your right foot in. Let me face the front so I can show you that. You've just finished your grapevine quarter turn with a tap. So you go 5, 6, 7, 8. You tap it in. Okay, let's go from that grapevine turning. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From the top with counts 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, you got it? All right, let's take this side. Ready, letter K. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Grapevine to the right. Grapevine to the left. Rubber box. Side together, forward tap. Side together, back tap. Grapevine to the quarter turn tap. Hip, 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 tap. And then again we go forward tap, back tap, back tap, forward tap. Grapevine to the right and grapevine to the left. Rumba box, side right, forward right, side left, back left. A bar, grapevine with a quarter turn and a hip, 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 tap from the top. Step, tap, back, tap, back, tap. Grapevine to the right and grapevine to the left. Rubber box, side together, forward, side together, back. And a grapevine quarter turn, tap it in and a hip, hip, hip. Yes? All right, let's do it to music. Let's find the music here. And Step and Rumba. Here we go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Grapevine. Grapevine. Rumba. Grapevine. Turn.
nobody knew. Girl, I owe it all to you. 'Cause baby, I changed for the better. Got my shit together like you always wanted me to. I'm a little less screw up, a little more grew up since I messed it up with you. I can't take back your last goodbye, but good Lord knows I tried. 'Cause baby, I changed everything but your mind.
Beautiful. He grew up. After going out with you, he grew up. Okay, everybody, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel at Dance with Anne Leslie. And I will see you soon. Bye. Have a good day or evening.